light.
Cold enough it doesn't burn me when I touch it. Okay, so we didn't do any damage to the insulating material. Just fill over. Put that back on. Slides together nice and easy. Okay, so now we gotta see if this fits. Now if everything was correct, this will fit right in there. Quite fit in there. Oh, it's got an O-ring on it. Maybe that's why it didn't go in. I didn't deburr that edge either. You remind me to deburr that edge. See how sharp that is.
Oh yeah, that's pretty sharp.
Yeah.
You might want to deburr that edge.
Go give me the good deburring tool over there. Yeah, that edge is razor sharp. Yeah, we should have done that when I was in the lathe. Remind me to do that next time.
Yeah, I'll send you an email.
So, you know, I need a good one.
Which was the good one?
That wasn't that one. The one next to that one would be nice.
Oh, okay. You see it.
Yeah, that'll probably just cut an O-ring right in half. Okay, so this is the way we don't need them. That's a little bit better. See, this is one of those expensive ones I bought at the SEMA deal.
Oh.
They said these work for everything. I've already dissolved it once. It's cutting pretty good though. You just want to length out of that? That's all we can get, okay. Well. I softened it up a lot. Of course, now we got chips everywhere.
Unless we got the...
Doobie likes that. Now feel it.
Oh yeah, much better.
You're just saying that.
Much better.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Now we got to check our end play. What are you dropping that off there for? Where's your washer?
Oh, that washer.
Oh, the washer. But you got a shaft, right?
Yep.
Mark the flashlight. Right there. Flat spot. Yep. Direction. Is this your original washer?
Sure is.
Slip it in that way. Center it up. Push it through. Is that enough in play?
Yes.
Think that would be binding at all or anything?
Hope not. Jeez.
Okay, I'm thinking we need something maybe just a little bit thicker than this. My guess is the Eastern made those bushings really thin for some reason. I'm gonna have a problem with that. This is an 85. We need something a lot bigger. You got this a lot bigger.
I don't know. What do you got?
What I have? Well, I bet you have one of
Here it is. Told you.
those. The reason why I bought all these out here earlier?
Yep.
Good deal.
You knew.
Okay, this says it's only 100 thick. Lied to me, it's 95. Okay, so this box sucks. Why'd you bring this one out?
I don't know.
We're just gonna go right to the last box. There's 110, 115, 105. So I'm thinking 115 might be the thickest one.
Yeah.
So we had what, 85? How much thicker is this?
115, so I don't know. 35 or 30.
115. That'd be 15 and 15 is how much?
30.
How much in play do you have?
Just enough.
Appears to be more than what the washer is. That's good, huh? Nice and loose, see? You got about 15 left. That's good. I can live with that. It's definitely a lot better than it was. It was really loose before.
So that's what you run on your race bike, right?
No, I don't have this kind of bike. I have an older vehicle.
Oh, yeah. 45.
Yeah, it's 3 whole gears.
3 whole gears.
Well, they're not whole anymore. They're just
And they're just there.
they're there. Yeah. It looks like my mark is still up. See that?
Yeah.
Okay, now I got this nice O-ring right here. I do not put this on the bearing surface. You know what the bearing surface is?
What's the bearing surface?
It would be the other part of the bushing. So if you snot up all the way over here, there might be an issue. You can actually see the wear mark of the bearing right here, so.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's a used part.
Precision.
So if you try to keep it within a 3/16 max of the O-ring surface, you'll probably be okay. You get more than that, you're pushing your luck. Now if you get this inside the bearings will probably not work anymore, and they will probably fail pretty quickly. So if you don't want them to fail, I would suggest don't do that. Okay, now we flip it upside down. Where'd the washer go? See the washer. The washer's not in there anymore. Where'd the washer go? Oh, how the hell did it get in there? I have no idea how a washer ever got down in that area. That's a new one. It's on the other side of the gear pack. Nice. Okay, I didn't particularly want to have the grease coming through here, but if there's any way that washer's going to come up through that little small hole. So I just kind of lubed up our sealing surface with grease. That was a good one. Okay, well that's one way of doing it, I guess. Magic sealer does not work with blue grease all over it. Okay. Fancy blue grease is no longer there. Okay. Rotate line. Where'd the line go?
It's right there. Needs to go up. There you go. Why do you have it? Is that like a?
Shaft has a flat spot on the other side.
Oh, so you marked it so you knew. Oh, got it. Okay.
It's kind of important where it goes. See a flat spot here?
Oh yeah.
See?
Mm-hmm.
Now that needs to go inward. Hopefully there's not a big sliver of O-ring there. Usually there is though. Seems to be, here's the one in there. Good. I might have actually sucked it in there and not torn it. That'd been a plus. Okay. Now we got to go over here. Start tightening some hardware up. First thing we do is lock the transmission in gear. See how it doesn't turn no more. Now we can try to tighten the big nut up.
Okay.
Without cutting my fingers off. That's tight. You know how I know it's tight?
How?
It's tight.
It's tight.
Because this here was quit moving. So that should be tight now.
I saw the gears move.
Back and forth, yeah, pretty good.
Oh.
This piece goes in there. Like that. See where those holes are?
Yeah.
And this is supposed to be bowed. Looks like you're. This plate actually wraps around that race that's in there, this housing.
Mm-hmm.
Bends it down, so it's like a wave washer because it always has tension on it because it's an angle. It actually drops it around. So that's why you don't have to put Loctite on these. At least they never used to.
Oh.
Kind of self keeping quiet.
Oh, I got it.
See on video?
Yeah. So that's why you had it there. So you had something to pull up on.
So I'm using the collar to rotate it to tighten it. So now it's locked. Now you have to dent the bearing to get it done.
Is that pretty? It sounds like that's pretty common. People.
Yeah, it does happen. Yes. It's been known to happen. I've done it myself. And if the bearing don't even have a shield on it, you got to open and roll it with just a cage. You can bend the cage and lock it up. And cause another problem. There's that L clip. Okay, make sure you put this in here where it belongs, which is right here. This is not supposed to have a round hole in it like yours kind of does. See, it's not made very good anymore. Somebody has rounded it out. Remember how your bushings were spinning?
Yeah.
The shaft was spinning inside of this,
Oh.
even though it had a flat spot. So now there's a hole around that. So this is not very good.
So it's not good.
It's a vintage piece now.
Just put it on eBay. Maybe someone will buy it.
What can we get for it?
I don't know. A good time.
Walker says use that chopper swapper thing on Instagram is the way to do it. He knows. Alright, so we need a couple of other parts.